This is Earth. It looks massive to us, right? But in the eyes of the universe, it's just a tiny speck of dust. See the sun? You could fit 1.3 million Earths inside it. It's a giant, but not for long.
Behold the colossal hypergiant. It is so vast it can swallow billions of our suns.
Meet Stephenson 218, the largest star known to man. It's so big that it could swallow 10 billion suns. And all of that is just one star in a galaxy of billions. Still feel big?